So may preference ka ba, non-showbiz or showbiz? When it comes to dating?
And ako kasi I prefer non-showbiz
Oo,
girlfriend.
bakit?
Siguro kasi doon ako lumaki. Di ba? And mas same yung wavelength. I mean, artista ako pero I feel like I'm not an artista kasi.
Honestly, non-showbiz talaga, but, you know, I mean, I'm not closing my doors. Like, baka mas may intindihan ng
Ang katrabaho?
katrabaho mo.
Sa mga love team mo, di ba pag kinikilig sila sa inyo, tapos they're rooting for the partnership, paano yun? Ay, tumatawa ka na. Talagang parang natawa ka na lang bigla. Oh, iba na yung tawa mo. Sabihin ng mga love team, hindi ka ba nagkagusto sa akin?
Hindi naman sa ganun. Siyempre, Barbie just, got out from a relationship. Before naman, like, I wasn't thinking about it, diba?
Siya ba ang steadfast na love team mo ngayon?
Yeah.
Si Barbie. Pero iba yung ngiti mo, ha? Talagang... Tatawa ka na lang, ha?
Masabi ako dito eh.
Oo. Pero ikaw din, you just got out also from a relationship.
Yeah, last...
Eh di parehong single?
yeah, single.
Eh paano yun? Eh di pag single, tas lahat. Uy, kayo na lang. May pressure ba?
Definitely, meron.
So paano? Paano mo ina-handle yun na everyone's rooting for you? Na-experience ko yan yung love team.
Kamusta pala?
Nakakakilig yung may love team, tapos pareho kayong single, tapos everyone's rooting for you, tapos lahat ng gagawin nyo, kinikilig sila. Madadala ka eh, di ba?
Pero nagustuhan mo siya, ganun.
Siyempre, nagugustuhan mo, love team mo, single ka eh. Ilang
siya?
taon lang ako, 20. Magkakagustuhan talaga kayo. Pero, dahil nga with the work, with the demands of the work, tsaka ang hirap talaga pag love team magkakagustuhan, tapos ipipair sa iba, magkakagusto sa iba. Di ba may mga ganon? Yung sa'yo, ganon ba? Yung sa inyo ni Barbie?
Nag-start kami 2023.
So
Maging love team.
bagong-bago.
Bago lang, oo.
Bagong-bago.
Yeah.
Eh, paano nga yun? Pareho kayong single. Paano nyo hina-handle yung lahat? Inaasar kayo, tas lahat gusto kayo magkatuluyan.
Yes, it's a bit pressuring, pero di ko naman siya iniisip as negative. Siguro for me, if it happens, it happens.
Ngayon, medyo pag 30 ka na, medyo, tas nagkaroon ka na rin ng mga relationship na ano mo na eh, na navigate mo na ito ang mga qualities na gusto ko. Isa-isahin natin. Go!
Siyempre, physically, maganda. Siguro, chinita na, hindi masyadong chinita.
Ayo! Pinahirapan mo naman sila.
Yung mukhang
Chinitang hindi chinita.
Very specific eh. Medyo hilaw.
May pagkamistisang chinita, gano'n.
Ganun type ko. Maputi.
Maputi. Mahilig siya sa maputi. Chinitang, hindi may pagka-chinitang mistisa.
Yeah.
Kayo na bahala mag-isip kung ano yon. Okay, ano pa yung isa? When you look at a girl, anong unang mong napapansin?
Eyes?
Ano yung attractive sa'yo pagdating sa personality ng isang babae?
Someone who's really nice, genuinely nice. Yung may empathy.
Na ang hirap
Mahirap.
i-determine ngayon kung ano ba yung nice and genuinely nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba?
Someone who's in touch with life.
Obo, ano naman yung in touch with life? I-explain mo naman sa amin. Para yung mga girls.
Before. Oh my God!
And then yung hindi masyado nag-cellphone. Yung parang present. Do you get me? Hindi masyado nag-social media. Kasi when you're like that, parang mas in touch ka in life. You're more assertive, you are more relaxed. Medyo wala kang pakialam sa inisip ng mga ibang tao. So parang simplified term ko lang siguro siya. Someone who's like that. And mamahalin ako, syempre. Caring. And understands my job. Of course. Yung pinaka-importante.
Understanding.
Understanding. And emotionally stable.
Her understanding, I think we are both different human beings. We have different personalities. The way I work is different from her, you know. So I think her understanding me and me understanding her, that's where we connect. That's how we work. But because she's a type na very caring and like whenever we're acting also, talagang never goes overboard. Like parang she empathizes with me in a way na okay, this is how David work and this is how I work. So okay, let's meet in the middle. And I guess I mean si Barbie, she's also super nice na person talaga. So yeah, very easy to work with. And yeah, very professional.
When do you see yourself settling down?
As soon as I find the right one, and kapag okay na ako sa career ko, kapag nasabi ko sa sarili ko na, okay na ako. Yung roles ko kasi, leading man eh. Diba? So, obviously, if you settle down this early, you wouldn't get like a leading man role. I mean, do you agree?
Oo,
with
kasi parang maano ka na as married
Yeah,
typecast. Oo.
siguro ganun.
So gusto mo munang ma-maximize.
Maximize everything I can get from showbiz.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade. We say it's the place.
At 4 a.m. kahit pagising pa lang ang diwa, sinubukan ko at sinamahan sina Alden sa kanilang warm-up run. Barbie and I share the same sentiments sa early morning run.
First thing in the morning, may na-achieve ka na agad, productive ka na agad, and mas nakaka-motivate na to go through your day. It's more meaningful for me kasi this is a charity fun run for the children with cancer, and I'm so thankful to Alden for inviting me dito sa run na to.
Sinayin nila ako sa Valley. Sabi ko sa akin, dito ako nagkita. Dito? I just really care about her a lot.
He cares about me. Ay, wow naman. I care about him also, syempre. I care about him a lot. Yan. Tawa si Kuya.
Sa mga naghihintay naman sa comeback project ng Barda,
Marami kami ginagawa mga TVC, mga endorsements, marami pang paparating. And, I mean, hopefully, we get a movie and the teleserye this year. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed.